Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on this 3-in-1 wireless charger. You can see that it has 10 watts fast charging, there's wireless charging, and there's also magnetic charging. So for the Apple Watch, it's 2.5 watts. For your earbuds, it's 3 watts. And then for the magnetic charging, it's going to be 10 watts for your cell phone. So it's foldable, so you could just open it up like this. Boom. You could also pull out the tab right here. This is where you charge your Apple Watch. And then obviously your earbuds right here. There's a picture of it. You put this right here for the magnetic charging. Boom, you can see that my phone is charging. It's up to 10 watts. So if I press this button, there's a light that shows up. So if you want a light, turn it off during the night. I'm gonna put my headphones right here, charge. Boom, you can see the orange light. My AirPods are charging. I would really recommend this if you like traveling, because since it is foldable, you just close the tab, fold it down. And I would also recommend it if you want to charge all 3 devices at the same time.